Hello student, today I will explain you problems based on Bayes theorem. Bayes theorem of probability is used when there are two levels of selection for any problem. Means first, suppose the work is done. If the strike is there, how much work is done in a factory? If there is no strike is done by workers, how much work is done? So in such problems, there is two level of selection. So you will understand with one question how to solve these problems. The first question is based on how to absorb a problem, okay, or how to write it. Let me see. So this is example 15 from NCERT. You may find it on page number 425. Okay, this is NCERT examples I am solving. A person has taken a construction job. Okay, the probabilities are 0.65. There will be a strike. 0.8 that the job will be done on time if there is no strike, and 0.32 construction job will be done in time if there is a strike. So this is a pretty big problem. So just let me write down what is given. So there is a job given where there are two possibilities. One possibility that strike will be there. So what is the probability that strike will be there is 0.65. And there is a probability that there will be no strike, correct? So how to find no strike? 1 minus, because total for doing any job there is total probability is always 1, okay? So it will be 1 minus 0.65, which is 0.35, correct? So I am just writing 0.35 to keep it clean. 0.35. If strike is done, so there are chances the work will be done on time, or maybe not on time. Two chances are there. So if work is done on time, 0.8% construction job will be completed on time. If there is no strike means in this case work will be done on time. So how many chances are there? 0.8 if there is no strike. So that means not on time की probability कितनी होगी? On time में 80% chances हैं. 0.8 means 80% chances work is done. So that means 0.2% that work is not done on time still if strike is not done. Okay. Now they are saying if a strike is done, then there is a 0.32 possibilities that construction work will be done. It is very less, because the strike is there. So chances of doing work on time is only 0.32. And work will not be done on time will be 1 minus 0.32, which is how much? 0.68, correct? Let me write it here, 0.68. So this is called the flow chart. How we got 0.68 is 1 minus 0.32. I hope you understood how we got it, correct? This is here. So this is called the flow chart. Okay. They are asking find the probability that construction work is done on time, whether the strike is there or not. This is the problem. Okay, so to keep it clean, let me remove it. You understood how we got it. So they want the work done. Work is done finally. So there are two chances that strike happened and work is done on time, right? This is first possibility that a strike happened, still work is done, or no strike happened and work is done on time. So these are two possibilities, है ना? So let me find out probability that work is done is that strike happened and work done on time, or no strike happened and work is done on time. Yes or no? On time. So these are two possibilities, correct? So you remember I told you whenever there is and, probability की problem में whenever there is and we use product, and wherever there is or we use sum. This is a fundamental rule of probability. So here it is, strike is done is 0.65 and work is done is 0.32, and may product plus, because or is there, so plus. No strike is done, no strike is done, how much is probability? 0.32 into, and means into, work is done on time is 0.8. I hope you understood. So if you solve it, it will come out to be 0.208 plus 0.28, and this will come out to be 0.488. This is the final answer, that work will be done on time. Okay, please write this down. This is a very good example. So let us see example 16. This is a typical example of Bayes theorem. You will see, without using Bayes we cannot solve it. So let us see how to do it. A bag contains 3 red and 4 black balls, and another bag has 5 red and 6 black. So let me write a flowchart. Bag. So there are 2 bags, bag 1 and bag 2. So for they are drawing one ball at random from one of the bag. One ball from one of the bag. That means first they will select a bag and then take out the ball, which is found to be red, right? So first bag selection will be equal probability, correct? So let me write down, first bag has how many? 3 red and 4 black, and second bag has 5 red and 6 black, correct? Total balls here are 7 and here total are 11, right? 5 plus 6 is 11. Now if the ball is taken, suppose we selected a first ball, so there are 2 chances, either the ball will be red or ball may be black. What is the probability that it will be red? From here there are 3 red balls out of 7, correct? 3 out of, so 3 by 7. What is probability that it is black? How many black balls are there? 4. The probability is 4 by 7. Perfect. If we select a second bag, so there are 2 chances, ball may be red or may be black. Probability of having red ball out of 11, how many red? 5. So 5 out of 11. Probability of having black is 6 out of 11. So this is my chart is ready, correct? So they are saying the ball is found to be red. So what is the probability that ball came from second bag? So this, here we will use Bayes theorem, because there is 2 level of selection. 2 level of selection means first we will select a bag and then we will take out a ball which has to be red. So they want probability that it was taken from bag 2. What is the given condition? That the ball is red, correct? We have to find probability that it is found from bag 2 and the ball is red. So what are the cases where the ball is found to be red? So maybe the first bag is selected and it is red, it is possibility. Or maybe, or second bag selected and it is red, yes or no? So what is the total possibility? Total possibility. And here we will take favorable. What is favorable? Favorable is that it is taken from bag 2. This one is favorable. Yes. So what is the total probable? Total is either selected from first bag and it is red. So first bag is 1 by 2 and it is red is 3 by 7. Or means plus, we know, or means plus. It is taken from second bag, which is 1 by 2. And means into, and it is red, which is 5 by 11. Correct? Taken from second bag and it is red. Out of that, this one is favorable. This one is favorable. Taken from bag 2 and red, which is 1 by 2, 5 by 11. Correct? Let's try to simplify it. Till here it is okay. 1 by 2, 1 by 2, 1 by 2 cancel everywhere. So it will be 5 by 11 divided by 5 by 11. Okay. So what is LCM? 5 by 11, LCM is 77. So this is 33 plus 35, which is 5 by 11 into, the denominator will flip. So this is 68. Anything will cancel. I think this is cancelling by 7. So it is 35 by 68. This is the answer. Okay, understood? The probability that it was taken out from bag 2 is this. So this is the flow chart. Everybody write down, and this is the solution. Shall we do next example? Try on your own. 3 identical boxes are there. 1, 2, 3 coins are there. First contains 2 gold, second both silver, and third 1 gold, 1 silver. Person selects a box and take out a coin. Coin is gold. Correct? Probability that the other one is also gold. The other one is also gold means it is taken out from the bag where 2 gold are there. So this both are gold coins. Then only second will be gold, no? So that means we have to find the probability that it was taken out from bag 1. The coin is gold and it was taken from bag 1. ठीक है, तो फ्लो चार्ट बनाइए and then try it. Here, so this is bag. So there are 3 bags. Bag 1, bag 2, bag 3. Bag 1 has 2 gold coins. Bag 2 has 2 silver coins. This is 1 gold, 1 silver. Okay? At first level, we will select a bag. Right? So what is the probability that first bag is selected, or second is selected, or third? Equal probability, because all 3 bags are similar. So 1 by 3, 1 by 3, 1 by 3. Then coin is gold. So here may be gold or maybe silver. Here may be 2 possibilities, gold or silver. Correct? And here maybe gold or maybe silver. So what is the probability gold is there? 2 out of 2. है ना? 2 out of 2, which is 1. Silver है ही नहीं, तो 0. Here gold is not there, probability is 0. Silver 2 on 2, which is 1. Here gold is 1 gold, so 1 by 2. Silver 1 by 2. I hope you understood. So this is a probability chart or flow chart. We need probability that coin is taken from first bag, because they are saying that other is also gold. Other is also gold is possible only if it is from first bag, because there are 2 golds. So how to find probability of having bag 1? Condition is that we are getting a gold coin. Correct? So probability that getting a gold coin is this, either this first bag selected and gold, or second selected and gold, or third selected and gold. Here let me take 1 by 3 in consideration here. Perfect. Out of these three, which one is favorable? I feel this one is favorable, this one. So how to find probability here? So probability will be first selected and it is gold, which is 1 plus, or no, or matlab plus. Second selected, it is gold, probability of gold is 0, from second is this. First is 1, for third one is 1 by 2. Third selected and it is gold 1 by 2. Out of that, this one is favorable, first one. So 1 by 3 into 1. Okay, so let's try it further. 1 by 3 by 1 by 3 plus 1 by 3 into 2. 1 by 3, 1 by 3, 1 by 3 cancel. So it is 1 by 1 plus 1 by 2. Correct? This is 1 by 2. Remember that. This is. So it will be 1 by 3 by 2. So what will be the probability? 1 into denominator will flip, 2 by 3. So 2 by 3 is the answer. So this method is called Bayes theorem because there is a 2 level of selection in these questions. First bag is selected and then the item is taken out. Okay. So remember, out of all three conditions, this one was favorable. Try this question again. Next question. This is the 11th example from NCERT on page 427, class 12. Reliability of HIV test as follows. People having HIV, 90% of the test detects, but 10% goes undetected. Means suppose people are having a disease. So when you take out the test, 90% results are accurate, but 10% there are chances they will go wrong. Now people who are free of HIV, means they do not have HIV. So 99% will get correct result. Correct means they will show the negative only. But 1% by mistake can be diagnosed as having HIV. Having HIV. Now, large population, only 0.1% have HIV. It's very small percentage. Others do not have. So they are saying one person is selected and test is done. And he says he get a positive result. So what is the probability that he has HIV? Because if he is getting positive, maybe he has and it came positive. Maybe he does not have, but it came by mistake. So out of that, what is the, how many chances are there that he will actually have HIV? 100% chances are not there, right? First we will make a chart out of this. Okay, let's try to make it. So they're saying 0.1% have a disease, correct? So let me write down HIV disease. So there are chances they have it, and there are people do not have it, correct? So how many people have it is only 0.1%. So that means 99.9% will not have it, right? 0.1 out of 100 is having, and do not have is 99.9 by 100, correct? Now if you are doing a test, so there are chances ki you get positive or negative. If they have it, see, if they have it, so 90% you will get the result. 90 out of 100 will get positive. So 10% will still get negative. If they do not have it, then 1% are diagnosed as positive. 1%, 1 out of 100. But 99 will be diagnosed negative only. So this is the flow chart. Perfect. You draw it, everybody. Okay. Now what do we want? We want the probability that he has actually HIV if he reports positive. If he reports positive, what is probability he has HIV, correct? So let me write down probability that he has HIV, condition is reports positive, because if he reports positive there may be two cases, right? He may have it and he reports, or he does not have it, still he reports. There are two possibilities. Out of that, which one is favorable? This one is favorable, correct? Because you want he has HIV. So let me solve it. So what are the total possibilities? That he has it and he reports it. He has it and reports it. So has it is 0.1 and reports is 90%. Or he has it, sorry, he does not have it, is this. Let me write down, he does not have it is 99.9 by 100 and he reports. Out of that, this one is favorable into 90 by 100. Okay, anything will cancel, this 100 cancel. 0.1 into 90 is 9, and this is 0.19 plus 99.9. How much it is? 9 by, okay, this we remove. So this is the answer. If you solve it, it will be approximately 0.083 answer. I hope you understood. In this question, the main thing is this chart. If you know this chart, you can get the answer. Please share, like and subscribe my channel. See you next video. Bye everyone.